mechanic found this piece of foil stuck in this vehicle's oil pickup. Lucky it hadn't caused damage.
Good.
One of these is not like the others.
Good. 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 Good.
Vehicle is vibrating really bad while driving.
Customer states, "My brakes don't work. I don't know why." Just a few months, maybe a year overdue on these brakes.
Just started making noise today. Okay.
This mechanic got a fright of their life test driving this customer's Jag when the throttle stuck like this mid-test drive. Customer states, "My coolant reservoir exploded in traffic.